Hey guys, Josh and John here, and today we are continuing the part 1 series of fixing my Papaw's hunk of shit. To kick off this episode, we got some brand new mics happening.
Oh yes,
Is
got
yours
some brand
on?
new mics. Mine is on, I believe.
Okay, but today, you guys know we're doing the fuel pump, and we've called in some backup. Mr. N. Stubblefield. So, we're gonna, well, to be honest with you, we probably won't be even attempting it without him, so.
Yeah.
We're
He
gonna
already got
see.
started too.
Yeah, we've
Or
already
got ready.
yeah, we'll show our little workstation here. We're gonna see what we can't do. That's what I always say. So we'll keep you guys updated. So guys, Noah is currently disconnecting all of these gas lines. Oh, it's getting there. Yeah. Wow. So would you say that that's pretty stuck on there?
Yeah, that's pretty aged, you could say.
Look at that.
Just gotta wiggle it back and loose. You gotta loosen it up. You can't just start going all in.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
You can't take the water thing off. Water plant.
Well, I took it off, but it's the hose is what's
Wow, this is already loose.
That was getting busy, yeah.
So did we actually need those clips for the fuel pump? The one that it came with? Or did they just give us to us just in case we needed it?
I'll have to look at it.
I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see. So did that PB blaster do anything?
Yeah, it helped a little bit. I would have never been able to get this far.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Oh my God.
Noah has got all the lines off for us. Thank you so much to him. I wouldn't even know where to start if it wasn't for him. Huge thank you to Noah helping us out with this project. It's so awesome. We're gonna see what we can't do, guys. These hoses took a while to get off because I think they were just on there for so long. All right, guys, Noah is now taking off the electrical sensor. I'll go ahead and vlog that. I don't even know where he's working.
It's right here.
Okay.
Oh gosh, you can see so clearly on the camera.
I know. I'm gonna watch this because I can't even see it.
I mean, either off is black. He said he ate rust earlier. That's what I'm trying to make.
We are currently getting the gas tank down. They got it jacked up that way there's not as much pressure on them bolts. We can break them off and get it down. On my camera's dirty.
I completely forgot to watch a gas tank dropping video. I only watched the fuel pump.
Yeah, I didn't watch how to actually drop it either.
I was thinking, let's change the fuel pump right quick.
Oh, that's out. Ooh, it feels like slimy stuff. All right, guys, we got one of the straps down. What's going on, Noah?
Yeah, I was just
Oh, just reevaluating your situation. Oh, I got it. Yeah, these bolts. Well, this one looks a little better.
Yeah, that one came out easier. I'll give it a bath, coach, on him.
Yeah, here. Give it a bath.
Give it a little bath.
Oh, Lord, yeah. This tank coming down, ain't it?
This thing's been on a paint since
I know.
Yeah. Like it's like missing some thread.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Did we strip it out?
What's that?
Them bolts?
No.
What is with your oil? I've never seen oil this before.
Huh? I don't know.
It's like your oil just like got foamy or something. Like you got a bubble bath.
It's like pop. Won't it come loose?
No, it's left or right? Left.
You got to twist.
There
Oh.
it goes.
Oh.
Oh, not
Oh.
slowly at all.
On the bright side, did have gas in it, so it
Yeah, I
ain't
heard
leaking.
it sloshing around.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, here we go.
Come on, John.
Oh, hold on.
There you go. There you go.
All right, guys. We have the fuel tank out. Oh my gosh! I can't believe it's right here before us. Josh, you got your air compressor? We can just.
I do. Yeah, actually. Let me get it.
That'd be great.
Get out the
Yeah.
boxes though first, so we don't burn our boxes. Yeah. I have a little burn. You need that too.
No, that's perfect.
Cleaned her up pretty good.
It cleaned her up though, didn't it? My dad's over there trying to figure out a leak in his tire.
Yeah, it looks like it's all the same stuff, ain't it?
A lot faster than pumping too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, right there does it, don't it?
Yeah.
Look at that on. Look at the yellow one, like how it was clean earlier,
Yeah.
and now it's got flakes and junk, like dirt in it too.
Yeah.
You just push that jack stand under there and start jacking it up. I'll
Okay.
get it lined up for you so you don't have to worry about it too much.
That sounds good.
Yeah, and actually that was on top of
Guys, we're getting it put back in right now. So I'll try to keep you guys updated as much as I possibly can.
All right, John, go ahead. Crank it up a little bit.
Crank it up? Okay.
Yeah.
How about that?
Keep going.
All right, guys. The gas tank is in. It's like all hooked up, all good to go. Huge thanks to Noah for being here and helping and putting it all and teaching us.
Yes.
W Noah.
That was awesome.
It's on.
Guys, I'm scared to death.
Looks like someone punched you in the face.
Really?
Y'all ready? Okay, here we go. First, I'm gonna listen to I'm gonna prime it like 4 times, okay? Yep. The fuel pump's working. Yep. I heard it.
I heard it turn on. Yeah.
Yep, it's working.
3 and 4. Y'all ready?
Yep. Oh. Hey. Oh my gosh.
Yo, it's running, son.
Hey.
That's a running car.
That's awesome, man. No leaks. I don't see no leaks at least.
Hey, the brakes work. I'm just kind of cycling through the gears to get it, you know, dialed in.
Got the windows down for us.
Hold on. Y'all like my new whip?
Oh yeah. Is that the rotors making that noise? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Brakes ain't no fun. Huh? It is. Got less than my Jeep's got to.
Yeah, that's a good car. It really is. He may fire that up. That may run another 100,000.
It might. I mean, you never know. Keep it well maintained or maintenance.
It's been well maintained.
It's even got something's.
It's all forward. It's hanging there.
That's what I was wondering. I was zooming in on it too.
I think it's just a leaf.
It's like a branch or something, probably. Hopefully not wires. It'd be awful. Yeah, it's just a branch.
It's got a mover. It works.
Where you taking it to, man?
Works.
Let me hop in.
Hop in. No, just wanted to ride.
Let me get in here. I want some
You
of
want to
that.
get in, Noah?
There's rat poop everywhere. Get in the back. Move these tires. Unlock the doors right quick.
Okay. They're unlocked.
No.
Second row.
Unlock it. Oh, that door just won't open. Come around the other side. I believe it fucking runs.
No
Josh. Dude, it fucking drives.
Dude.
It's out of its hole. There's no fucking way.
It crawled out of its hole.
I'm gonna take it on a little test drive, okay?
Okay.
Y'all ready? Drove in 6 years.
6 years and it's on the road again. We're blowing right past me and Noah's cars, and you just ruined the windshield. We even got some windshield wipers.
Dude, they need the fluid.
They need the fluid bad. We're blowing down through here.
You feel that? That's the brakes.
Oh yeah, they're like holding a little bit. I don't know. This, you might pump it. I don't want to be like going over the hill. This is awesome. I can't believe this. I'm so excited.
Dude, I'm fucking driving the
Oh my god.
Wait, let's make Savannah come out. Guys, Oh my God. There is no shot.
We're on the highway.
Let me take it this way just in case it can't take that.
Hit them potholes.
I don't want to risk it.
It goosed it a little bit. Actually, I went for it. I don't know which one. It's not alright. We're zooming. This is awesome. Is all the hands working?
Yeah, all the hands are working.
Oh wow.
Oh my God.
Let's go back.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm driving this thing right now.
I can't neither. I was.
Oh my God. It backs up, it goes and drive. Noah, I love you.
No, it's it's my smoke.
No, you're probably gonna see
I think that's the brakes.
Burn what gas it did have.
I just
We ain't got much
swallowed
fuel.
it. Huh?
Josh, I can't believe we're fucking moving.
We're moving. Oh my gosh, we're driving around. This thing's cruising around.
It's just cruising. Dude, the steering wheel feels good. Let's go to Savannah's.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Come on. I'm gonna make her come out and look at my new whip.
Oh, they can climb hills too. I'm gonna turn it off for a minute too. No.
Turn it off.
I'm at the car. I'm at the phone now.
You like my new whip?
I cannot believe you know you're running.
Son, this thing's a runner. Oh,
It
we're-
ain't
Think about that, Daisy. Oh my Lord.
it's out of its hole, son, and it's ready to go. Son, we've already took it up the mountain and back.
I heard you.
Oh, we're about out of gas.
blowing your horn.
Does your air conditioner work? Don't try it.
Yeah, don't try it.
It'll blow waspers out of it.
Dad told me to just take it to Nanny's, so I guess that's what we're doing.
That is crazy.
You probably ain't seen this thing moving forever.
Not in like probably 10 years, maybe more.
Really?
Than 10.
Maybe more than 10. I can't believe it's moving.
That's insane. This thing's literally just rumbling. Boom, boom,
Thank
boom,
you.
boom, boom.
I might have me a driver.
Let's hope. It's dollar store bound.
See you, Savannah. Yeah, guys, car's running. Does it sound a little rough, or what do you all think? Yep. Let you listen to the muffler.
And every single light in the back works.
Yep, basically every light in the whole car works.
Backup lights.
Well, all we got is the ABS light on. Oh my God, guys.
Looks like the mold right off.
Let's see.
That's a good channel.
Where's the CD?
Right there's the AM and
Where's the
jump.
CD? There it is. It works.
Is there anything in there?
Yeah, give it a second. There it goes.
Probably right.
Jesus come. Now this is what Papaw wanted.
It looks better than your headlights, to be honest. Look, Noah's little stick-on lights. What's it so blurry? What the heck? First night ride.
Yeah, this is first nighttime.
And this is awesome.
We've got Pep's church music playing. I mean, I don't particularly like church music.
What's that? Oh, it's just a garbage can. Somebody's coming. Uh-oh.
Here, I'll get on.
First run in.
We can't turn the lights off.
Uh-oh, they can't see the lights. Here we go, everybody. First ride on the highway in 10 or so years. Here we go, main highway.
7 years, probably.
6 or 7 years, something like that.
Oh my God, guys.
Here
Ready?
we go, I'm ready. Main highway, here we go.
Welcome back to the road.
Yeah! There's something squeaking.
Oh my God.
Look at that. I about dropped your phone. I'm no joking. Oh my gosh, we're making it.
This is crisp.
This is beautiful. I feel like I'm in a regular car right now. A car that hasn't been sitting for forever.
6, 7 years.
6, 7 years. I mean, how fast are we going? About 30?
Yeah, about 30, 40.
Oh, yes.
Y'all think this is pretty smooth?
This is, I'm cruising. I'm relaxed.
We're cruising.
We are making it, son.
I'm not gonna go no faster than this. Is that rightfully so?
I think so.
Okay. We're almost at one stop.
Once you get some wheels in this bad boy, I'd run it up.
Oh, yes. I'd give her some gas.
We're gonna give her some gas because she's almost out.
Bro, this camera can't focus because your windshield is so dirty. Yeah,
Yeah, it is really
it
dirty.
keeps going blurry and stopping it. I'll turn it off now, I guess.
This thing looks like a piece of junk.
It does, but it don't drive like one does it too.
No, it sure
No,
don't.
Drives good.
Drives pretty
I
good.
mean, honestly, even when you're, I feel like the faster we go, the smoother that feeling is. It feels like it ain't shaking as much.
I'm just scared of the tires.
Yeah.
We've made it to the store.
Oh yeah.
Josh, get your phone, man.
I'll get it in a minute. I'm not going in. Don't you took my phone?
Hey guys, welcome into Pitch Black. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for.
Yeah, guys, that's a wrap on the transmission fluid. That's gonna.
Yeah, that's a wrap on that. We've done absolutely nothing. See you guys in the next parts. Okay, bye.